Hi, my name is Arun. I'm working in Ibis, and now we are preparing some cocktails which is in the hub. It's a bar. So now we are preparing snacks on the beach. So we need ingredient for this: vodka, peach liqueur, cranberry juice and orange juice, and some lemon juice. So first of all we will start from, we have to keep a glass for chilling. I will place it here, and then after we will take a shaker. I will add some ice, 45 ml of vodka, (20 ml peach liqueur, 90 ml orange juice, and 90 ml cranberry juice, 15 ml lemon juice, and we have to shake it. Now we will open it. Now we will take our glass and now I will pour it in the glass. We use some grenadine for looking it good. Little bit. Then after we will garnish it with orange and little bit flour. Now your cocktail is ready.